Hey gardeners, welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of nature and how they impact our daily lives. Today, let's dive into the buzzing world of pollinators and their crucial role in Asia's food security. It's a fascinating topic that affects us all whether we realize it or not. Yep, I'm talking about bees, butterflies, birds, the whole gang. These tiny creatures might seem insignificant, but they are the unsung heroes of our food supply. First off, did you know that nearly 75% of the world's crops depend on pollinators? Yeah, it's true. Without them, our grocery stores would look very different. In Asia, this means rice, fruits, vegetables, and even spices rely on these tireless workers. Imagine a world without these staples. It's a scary thought. Bees, for example, are superstars when it comes to pollination. They are incredibly efficient and play a pivotal role in the ecosystem. One single bee can pollinate over 300 million flowers in its lifetime. That's mind-blowing, right? Just think about the sheer volume of work they do. And it's not just the bees. Butterflies and birds also play their part in this vital process. Each species contributes uniquely to the pollination puzzle. Now, why is this so important? Well, pollinators are essential for the reproduction of many plants, which in turn supports biodiversity and healthy ecosystems. Without pollinators, we'd see a dramatic drop in crop yields. This would not only affect our food supply, but also the livelihoods of millions of farmers. This could lead to food shortages and higher prices. Not great. The economic impact would be felt worldwide, hitting the most vulnerable communities the hardest. Here's the kicker: pollinators are in trouble. Their populations are declining at an alarming rate, and this poses a serious threat to global food security. Habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change are all taking a toll. These factors are creating a perfect storm that endangers these vital creatures. So what can we do about it? Good news, there are conservation efforts underway to protect these essential creatures. It's a collective effort that requires everyone's participation. In many parts of Asia, farmers are creating pollinator-friendly habitats. This is a crucial step in ensuring the survival of these species. This includes planting wildflowers, reducing pesticide use, and even setting up bee hotels. These actions create safe havens for pollinators to thrive. Yes, bee hotels are a thing. They provide shelter for solitary bees, which are also important pollinators. It's a simple yet effective way to support their populations. You can help too, even in your own garden. Small changes can make a big difference. Planting a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year ensures that pollinators always have a food source. This continuous supply of nectar and pollen is crucial for their survival. Avoid using harmful pesticides and consider setting up a small water source. Every little bit helps. Even a shallow dish of water with pebbles can provide a much-needed drink for thirsty pollinators. And here's a pro tip: go for native plants. They are well adapted to your local environment and provide the best resources for local pollinators. Native plants are more resilient and require less maintenance, making them a win-win for both you and the pollinators. So remember folks, the next time you see a bee buzzing around or a butterfly fluttering by, give them a mental high five. They are working tirelessly to keep our ecosystems balanced and our food systems running smoothly. They're working hard to keep our food systems running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in. Happy gardening, and let's keep those pollinators buzzing. Together we can make a difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time. Until then, keep nurturing your gardens and supporting our incredible pollinators. Happy gardening!